Hi students, hope you are all studying well. Here I would like to tell you the format of the question paper. The question paper consists of three sections: section A, section B and section C. Section A is reading part. Two comprehensive passages will be there. You have to answer for the questions based on that passage. And section B consists of writing and grammar part. For writing, sometimes you have to write a story based on the outline given, give the story a title and write your own ending. Sometimes some hints will be given, some points related to this story will be given. You have to complete the story and give a good title, and then you complete that story, and you have to write your own ending for that story. സ്റ്റോറിൻ്റെ കുറച്ച് ഭാഗങ്ങൾ തരും, ആ സ്റ്റോറി കംപ്ലീറ്റ് ചെയ്യുക, ആ സ്റ്റോറിക്ക് നല്ലൊരു ടൈറ്റിൽ കൊടുക്കുക, എന്നിട്ട് അതിന് നല്ലൊരു എൻഡിങ്ങും നിങ്ങളുടെ ഭാവനയിൽ നിന്ന് ഉണ്ടാക്കിയിട്ട് എഴുതുക. അതായിരിക്കും ചിലപ്പോൾ sometimes you will have questions like this, or sometimes you will get the question importance of reading. You have to write a paragraph on importance of reading. Paragraph means you have to write at least half page of the answer sheet. Then only you will get 5 marks. Sometimes the topics will be importance of sports, importance of reading. You can expect any topic. Then sometimes you will be asked to write a letter writing. I'll upload one letter writing video also. Watch that video. Then it would be easy for you to write letter. What are the things you have to look before writing the letter? So that's all about question paper. Then regarding the chapters, read all the chapters very well. All the suggested chapters for the examination should be read well. Then first chapter. From the first chapter, here write the adjectives in the brackets in the correct order. Page number 19. You can expect question from this part. You have to write adjectives in the correct order. Here some rules are here. You have to write the number at first, then opinion, then size, quality, age, shape, color, origin, material, purpose. In this order you have to write the adjective. Study this order. Study the you have to study like this. You can learn this acronym NOSCA SCOMB. It means N stands for number, O stands for opinion, then size, quality, age, like this. Then it would be easy for you to remember. In that order you have to write the adjectives. Okay. Then another important grammar part is coordinating conjunctions and, or, but, yet. We discussed the use of and, or, but, and, yet in the last class also. We revised those portions. Go through this. You will be asked to fill the blanks using the correct coordinating conjunction. Then another important part is subordinating conjunction. If, unless, because, like that. Which, whose, where, wherever. You will be asked to fill the blanks using the subordinating conjunction. So go through this part also. You can expect question from this area. Another grammar part is transitive or intransitive verb. A verb that carries an object is transitive and does not carry an object is intransitive. Usually object comes after verb and subject comes before the verb. So in this sentence, the lion caught a tiger. The lion is the subject, caught is the verb, and a deer is the object. Sometimes you will be asked to circle, or you will be asked to write the object in the sentence.